So if somebody's considering dental implants or an implant-supported denture, what should they look for in the provider?
So I think experience is very important.
Okay.
I think experience being the number one thing that patients should look for is you want confidence in who's doing this big, important procedure for you. And the more cases that docs have under their belts and their level of training and who they've learned from and where they've learned and how many hours they've trained is very important to me.
You hold like a board certification in implant dentistry.
Yeah, so I've been fortunate enough and worked hard enough to attain diplomat status within the ICOI, which stands for the International Congress of Oral Implantologists. I'm a fellow in the Academy of General Dentistry. I'm an associate fellow in the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. So these credentials are very important because they're more than just the initials behind your name. They represent and they symbolize the additional training you've put in beyond dental school to really get good at a craft and to perfect your trade.
In fact, you have more continuing education than most people. You've won an award for the most continuing education.
I have.
Is that right?
It was 3 awards in the last 4 years. To correct you. No,
all right.
I'm just kidding. But yes, in the state of Florida, I've been fortunate to be the leading continuing education doc for 3 of the last 4 years.
Because so there's a lot to it to make it look easy.
It's a lot to it, but it's not only for the patients. It's for myself. You know, I want to know that I'm doing a darn good job, you know, stacked up to whoever next to me is providing the same procedure. Because there's a lot of us out there that do it. And there's a lot of really good docs that do it. But in order for me to walk into a room and feel confident and to sit across from someone to try and explain to them why they should get it done, but also why they should get it done by us, I have to have the proof in the pudding to show them. You know? So the training was very important to me.
Now, because I asked you this question on the telephone, and you said, find a center that does it all under one roof, that has their own lab, things like that. Elaborate on that.
So from a convenience standpoint, there is nothing more convenient than being able to go to one place where everything is done from start to finish. I mean, you see it in the real world now, right? People want their coffee and they want to go to the bank at the same time. So what happens? You know, there's a Chase Bank with a coffee shop inside of it. You know? So we try to eliminate the middleman, so to speak, and just make it more convenient for the patient.
Is that why you're able to do it less than most?
That's exactly right. So
other offices?
by being able to create that efficiency, everything drops as far as the fee because there's no middleman here or middleman there. It's all the fat is trimmed, so to speak. And by doing it all under one roof, it translates into a better experience for the patient as well.
So whether you want a cosmetic or brand new denture, a better fitting denture, or you want an implant-supported denture, that's what Affordable Dentures and Dental Implant Centers have.
Correct.